going on, guys? So I've been sent out some awesome storage hardware system, and I'm looking to install it on this wall back here. So first things first, got to clean the area and then get started into ripping apart these boxes. Alrighty, so I got the back bit cleared. Now it's time to get this unstrapped. Take caution because it is fragile inside. Alrighty. Alright, let's move you over here so you can see a bit better. Watch out, dog. Quick coffee break, but we've got the first one down, so now they're just going to bloody throw down. Alright, so a bit of an update. What I've been doing is putting those shelves in to get my height for the next level. And then once I have it in, I just keep putting those rails in and those cross pieces. Coming along. So here's a close-up. I'll try to do it one-handed. What you do, you find this edge here. That's what the track sits on. And then I sit it on top of the box for like a reference point. And then I look at, okay, so that's where it's sitting. So it has to be the next one up, which is that. Clip that one in, come over here. Clip that one in and then just get them a whack. Hit them down so that they sit in that. You can't see that. So that they sit in that part, the lower part there. And then that gives me my heights. Next step, you put the corner pieces in. These are a little bit more tricky, but I find that if you get one side in and then you keep that along this face here, oh, it always doesn't work when you film, but yeah. If I hit it hard enough, you never know, it might work. It's bloody hard to do it with one hand, hold on. Alright, there we go. Always the last one is the hardest one, Billy. Always. There we go. Alright, got all the stackables. Now it's time for, have a look. The boxes. Yeehaw, this is going to be fun. Alright, well that about does it for the big storage. Now I've got a bench to go here. So I'm just going to bloody throw that thing in ready. Boom! Alright, now she's in. Now it's time to start loading the tools up. There you have it. All done, tools are in. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.
Smash that like button! Smash it! Smash it! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!